gray sweatshirt. The hair would stand up on the back of your neck as everything comes together and you realize this is going to be it. It was the sweatshirt that we were looking for, a proudly knit sweatshirt. And at that point, I knew we found a done.
Ball. Come here. Sit on this chair and I sit on the ball. I'm good.
I want to sit in the round chair. That's what I want to do.
It was heartbreaking, but at the same time, we were very elated that we were able to bring her home to the family.
I guess for me and actually for the rest of my family, it was the first step to some sort of closure. That we wouldn't at least be living the rest of our lives wondering where she was.
Police call in code blue to end the search. And the missing person investigation of Amy St. Laurent turns into a homicide case. As police close in on a murder suspect, the case takes a bizarre and unexpected turn.
That mother, the pain in her voice of describing her son confessing, it absolutely made the case.
Tuesday, unfolding by escape real prison breaks. Crossroads Correctional Center, 1999. Detailed cases serving life for crime. When he falls in love with a female prison guard, he sees a way out. The closer they get, the more she falls for him. And blinded by love, she helps him escape. But after 2 months on the run, the fugitives are not going down without a fight.
Just calling calculating as you get.
By escape real prison breaks. All new Tuesday at 10. Only on Investigation Discovery.
At Cheez-It, we expect a lot from our cheese. What are you doing?
Subject.
Studying.
Studying?
Quantum physics. That's not mine. I don't know where that came from. Is that a check? That's not a good check, is it?
What do you think?
It's a bad check. We take the time for our cheese to mature before we take it into every taste bracket. Because at Cheez-It, real cheese matters.
Laundry detergent doesn't remove all stains. Bleach may whiten your white, but it's a disaster if you spill it on